that love drink tea, you know, especially in the country, that you're gonna have to get up and make them tea. So grandma, I'm gonna make her some tea.
Cause I only got one life, and I'm trying to catch one vibe. Got the toolie on me if they want try.
Have you do that?
Yeah. You want me to read? You remember that?
These are the same type of bamboo.
You let me do that.
That they use. Grandpa, wait for me.
You say you walk gone left me?
Get me.
Strong man, that's in it. And then we show them the yam.
How they're supposed to look. Yeah, it is a show people. So when you put the stick, the yam stick, what that do? Huh? Oh, that the yam run up on it?
Because I didn't know that, so a lot of people probably didn't know it either, right?
I believe. What I get from
You sure you ready?
No, make sure.
yam. It starts to grow out and wrap around the yam stick. I think.
Man side don't local for the week and believe on phobia. Come and keep the boy global, we no free talk man talk not social. Foreign girl a fly down and a fall in love and a wait for proposal. Push me cock in her mouth and fuck that out till me fuck up the vocal. Hot sauce, yeah. Clap ass man drop that sauce, yeah. Hot sauce, yeah. We there pass me the hot dog, yeah. Hot sauce, yeah. Uptown, downtown, girl a chop chop, yeah.
Oh, which one is drink? Oh, Enfamil. Oh, that's how baby feeding works. Hold on there, sir. Let me see it. No idea. He Jackson? Yeah. Jackson like 7 months now? 7 months? Yeah. Okay, so I'm going into another pharmacy because the other one didn't have the, excuse me, sorry. Didn't have the other, what the hell? Didn't have the proper formula. That looked like mayonnaise. I need to go grocery. I'm gonna start going grocery shopping for myself next week. Yeah, next week. I don't know, baby food day now. I'm leaving Spanish Town right now. They say asking for directions is the best thing a person can do. I'm gonna know where I go. But the man said this way to Kingston, so we're gonna see. I just open my noticed something familiar, you know. Anyways, I also want to do a playlist. I think I'm going to film that video today where I try snacks from my childhood. I think that would be very fun. Anyways, may I come out for this? Come in, know me I go. Guys, I literally just had lunch about an hour ago, right? I forget somebody I got have lunch with somebody. So now me eat, I'm ready for sleep. I'm all about drop asleep a while ago. I'm gonna get a message. I say, who this? I'm gonna look on the message. You wouldn't believe the person tell me that their meeting wrapped up early and they're good to still meet exactly on time. I have to go get ready because I'm gonna be running late. Wow. And by the way, this is where I'm going. Tea Tree Creperie. I hope they have bubble tea. The food looks really good. I think I'm gonna lean towards dessert or something because I literally just ate a lunch. I'm so I can't still eat more though. All right, I gotta go get ready for I'm seriously late. Hey guys, so I'm on my way to Tea Tree Creperie. I got dressed, I bathed, got dressed, ironed this dress so quick, it's ridiculous. I'm on the boulevard right now. I'm late. And I had a surprise visit from Mother Nature, so that added to all the stuff that I had to do. Yeah. I'm gonna record it and make it look all cute and vlogger-ish, you know. If you guys are still watching at this point, please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, check out the description box. I've left some some links down below where you can save money. Whether it be through using my discount code to buy some weave from Hairspells or some glasses. The company name is slipping my name right now, but check down below. I believe a certain amount of people, if you're the first amount, I'll put the information on the screen of people to go click on the link and you get like a free glasses or you get a discount off some glasses. So go over there and do that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for going over to my Instagram. I hope you're having a great day. I'm just gonna turn this around now and show you guys where I'm heading. What the hell? They don't even signal, like idiots. Look at me. Alrighty, so Tea Tree Creperie is on the front terrace. So there's no need for me to go in this building, I don't think. I don't want my dress blow up. I guess it's this building over here. It's quite cute. Quite the cute little building. I'm not too sure. I have no idea. Oh, here it is. It's cute. Alright, let me shut up. Oh, it's so cute. I don't know where I want to go. I'm not sure. Gonna have all the people being like, who's that guy? Sorry. You're making up your mind. Yeah. So I'm gonna get eggs Benedict and French toast. No, you can't make up your mind. He had his order all set. But this is the place. Tea Tree Creperie. It's really pretty. What you love? Yeah. Get all these good money. So how was your food?
It's really good.
It's really good. All right, I'm gonna pack up now. Hey, it's me again. This is my little outfit. I've been rocking this yellow shoes with everything, but my bag has yellow in it, so it ties it in. My bra is sitting up higher than I wanted.